take home our lesson for today. We have an exam next week. And before this class ends, I want to introduce our new exchange student, Maya. And just since you're the first event, I want you to tour Maya around the school. Okay, now we're going to go next to see Maya.
Natulala nang makita kang may kasama at sa aking puso'y nagpa. Dahil nagtataka, aglasang